Alright, back here, we had to mulligan our first hand because it was a two-lander and it just didn't look like it was going to work out. I'm sorry you didn't get to see that hand. I didn't start the video quick enough, but this hand's definitely keepable here. A little bit slow, but we're not going to mull that. Go ahead and close out of some stuff here. There we go. I need to reveal that we're playing red yet. So I'm going to make a point here. We saw red, and we saw in packs 1 and 3 that red was really open, and in pack 2 it was not open at all. So this guy is probably the guy that we're on our left. So he's probably has the Galvanic Blast and the Cerebral. We passed him a Galvanic Blast and I think a couple Shatters and a Cerebral Eruption. So we want to be aware of that as potential tricks. Alright. So he's just playing a bunch of equipment and no creatures. So we're going to equip this Darksteel Axe and try to bash. If he tries to shatter it, we can sack it for 2 cards, and that would be a 3-for-1. So I'd be okay with that. And unfortunately, we're lagging a lot here. Close out of YouTube here. Maybe that'll help. It's Skype. Dragon of Rage. So if he plays a creature, it's gonna be buff. He may still have this Shatter in hand. We're gonna go and bash with that. I'm doubting it though because I doubt you'd not trade a Shatter. Maybe he's he has that Cerebral Eruption we were talking about. Slow playing us a little bit. We shall see. If he does play Cerebral Eruption, which he did not, so that can get pretty big. He can put Infiltration Lens, Trigon of Rage, Sylvok Lifestaff. Let's see if he actually equips everything onto it. Quarter Shield. So he equips it there. So he doesn't like that he's getting aggroed, that's for sure. And we draw a mountain. And I actually like the Flesh Allergy on the Sunspear Shikar, because I'm pretty sure he just top-decked that creature, because he would have just played that on turn 2 to try to get his aggro going. So I'm going to go ahead and Flesh Allergy his Sunspear Shikari, sacking my other Auriok replica, or Moriok replica. He'll lose 2 life from that. And then he'll lose 4 more from the Moriok replica. And we wish we had a Necropede in hand to sack that, and then we could just corkscrew it back, but we don't. The other option would have been to draw 2 cards, but I don't really want to be getting attacked by a... what is it? It would have been 2/5, 3/5, 6/5, first strike, vigilance, lifelink. When it dies, he gains 3 life, and if I block it, then he draws 2 cards. That's a pretty buff creature. So yeah, no creatures, unless he has one of those sentinels, which would be unfortunate, but... We'll go ahead and raw dog this Corpse Cur. He's probably wondering why the hell we're playing Corpse Cur. Good, we won that game. So yeah, he was really short on creatures there. Him being at 2 life, Galvanic Blast or Arc Trail, assuming, yeah, would have won the game for us. So red-white, lots and lots of equipment that we saw. So any kind of creature removal would be useful. I actually think that with all the equipment that he has, the Darksteel Mirror might be a good idea. Because he's going to have one really buff dude. And if he can't bash into us because of a Darksteel Mirror sitting there, I think that is actually a good idea. And that, I mean, Darksteel Mirror would have been a much better top deck than Palladium Mirror later on, because of how big his creatures were threatening us. Alright. Yeah, I mean, the deck list looks fine. There's no other changes that I would like to make. I mean, when we were looking at our list before, we only had like 4 potential cards that we put in, and a couple of them were like Golden Urn. We're not going to be siding in a Golden Urn ever, I don't think. They'd have to have an insanely aggressive deck for us to be willing to put that in. Even then, even then I wouldn't put Golden Urn in. Golden Urn is okay in some decks, but not this one. This one, it does not belong.